I'm blown away by the vast diversity of exhibitors here, and I'm really interested to hear what they've got to say.
I have been a regular visitor for Tech Show London, and this time it is fabulous. I can see new names, new faces, and a lot of chance for networking.
Got a lot of good quality conversations going on. People want to do more with their data. They're also wanting to do more with AI as well.
Clearly this event covers everything from cloud to cyber to collaboration. Seeing the attendees put that messaging together and realise the impacts that all of these different areas of IT have on each other, I think that's important.
Great footfall throughout the show. Obviously, there's lots about AI at the moment, so lots of people are very interested about finding out about what's hot in the market, which I think is really important.
All sorts of manufacturers, all sorts of distributors, all sorts of data centre people here.
The quality of the people coming through, high-end engineering, specifiers, decision makers.
You want to catch up on the trends in the technology sector, that this is certainly the place to do it.
Data centres, new applications, AI, what I can do to completely revolutionise our business in London.
This is my first time here at Tech Show London, and it's been mind-blowing. Lovely that we're bringing lots of tech people together to share ideas.
The portfolio of speakers here is incredible, and these are, the innovators in the industry. This is the top-notch people.
So many of the real forward thinkers, and just the people you meet, the energy you feel, the exposure to all the latest technologies is game-changing for really keeping you up to date.
On-the-spot insights on how leaders and experienced people have dealt with those challenges.
The diversity of perspectives, views that people can hear, and also they can be challenged in an open space.
And I get to have those conversations directly with all these amazing, talented people out here, which actually creates the change we're looking for.
It's been fantastic to see such a great show filled with so many people and so many exhibitors.
This is our third year doing the show, and every year it gets busier, so we've just like to really try to up the ante on the theme this year.
It's like a one-stop shop for all the things that I'd actually want to know about.
I even got a lightsaber, which is cool.
Open your mind to learning, to speaking to people you wouldn't normally speak to. That's when great new ideas emerge.